morning. Today is a beautiful day. Our kids are getting ready for school. And today, Chanyan, எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஹாய் சொல்லு.
Hi.
எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? ஹாய் ஹாய் ஹாய். கையால் ஸ்கூலுக்கு ரெடி ஆயிடுச்சு. எல்லாருக்கும் ஹாய் சொல்லு. ஹாய் எல்லாரும் வணக்கம். யார் வரா இன்னைக்கு? Today who's coming?
Appai and Tata.
Yes. Appai and Tata are coming from India, guys. That's the good news. We've been waiting for to share with you guys. The first time they're coming to America.
I'm getting ready for the kids to go to school right now so we can get ready. My in-laws are coming from India. This is so exciting. First time here. So we're gonna drive to Houston to go pick them up. And we'll take this journey with you guys today.
So I can't wait to share this moment. I'm going to document this since we are going to pick them up from airport. Stay tuned, guys. We will see you guys when we started to drive. Yeah, today இன்னைக்கு வந்து எங்க அப்பா அம்மா வராங்க ஊர்ல இருந்து. அதான் வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து இந்த வீடியோவை நான் பண்ண போறேன். இப்போதான் காலையில் எழுந்திரிச்சோம். குழந்தைங்களெல்லாம் வீட்டில் போய் குழந்தைங்கள்லாம் ஸ்கூலில் போய் விட போகிறோம். எல்லாம் ரெடி ஆகிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ எல்லாரும் இன்னைக்கு ரெடி ஆகிட்டு இருக்கோம் ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு. போயிட்டு எங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ் வரும்போது ஏர்போர்ட்லேருந்து பிக்கப் பண்ண போகிறேன். Stay tuned. So we are still here. My wife is cleaning the house.
I'm cleaning this house, guys. Yeah. Big house, big responsibility.
Yeah. And right now, I soaked last night for idli or dosa. ஸோ தோசை மாவு தான் அரைக்கிறதுக்கு தான் ஊற்றி வச்சுருக்கேன், ஊற வச்சுருக்கேன் ரைஸும் உளுந்தும். ஸோ நான் வந்து இந்த பாருங்கள், இந்த பிளெண்டர் இருக்குது. இந்த பிளெண்டு என்ன பிளெண்டர்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து நிஞ்சா பிளெண்டரு. இந்த பிளெண்டரில் போட்டு நான் தோசை மாவு அரைக்க போகிறேன். தோசை மாவு அரைச்சிட்டு ஸோ I'm going to use this blender. It's called Ninja Warrior. So yeah, once it's done, I'm going to blend them. I'm going to leave it for fermentation. Once it's fermented, by the time they are coming here, so it's ready to go. So at least they have something. So right now, you guys can see it's 10 o'clock. After blending the idli batter, I'm ready to hit the road. So who's coming with me? My wife and I and Mama Leki, my wife's aunt. So we three of us is gonna go pick them up. Ta-da! This is their new bed. Ooh, fancy. So this is their bathroom, almost ready. And also my brother is coming next week. So we are excited, and my kids are excited. They're going to be here in the evening. They already said, oh, I can't wait. Appai and Tata, see Appai and Tata. Okay. Let's see if it's ready. Let me use spoon. Okay, here. I'll say another round. The water is good. I'm just going to put it back. This is 2 more minutes I put. Oh, look at this. This is a good consistency for idli. If I need dosa, I can put some more water to make a dosa. But I'm gonna do like this. So what I'm going to do, this is my garage. I like the temperature here. So it's going to help to ferment faster. So I put something on the bottom. Even if it comes outside, it's going to go here. It can be like that. I will cover it, leave it like that.
Alright, so we are heading to Houston right now. But at the moment we're going to pick up my auntie. And we have a 4 hours drive from San Antonio to
3.5 hours. 3.5 hours to 4 hours. With the traffic, like about 4 hours.
Right.
We are heading to airport to pick up my parents.
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
I'm excited. This is so amazing. The last time we visited them was 2016. That's
so 7 years, right?
7 years, 8 years. I don't know. It's been a long time.
Yeah,
So,
I'm excited. I haven't seen my parents long time too. We both visited 2016. That was the last time. So we can't wait.
This is gonna be a lot of excitement right now. We are gonna share all this with you, so stay tuned for the end of this video. You're gonna see a lot.
இன்னைக்கு போய் நாங்கள் வந்து என்னோட பேரண்ட்ஸை போயிட்டு பிக்கப் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஏர்போர்ட்லேருந்து வந்திருக்காங்க. அவங்க இன்னொருத்தங்க கூட வராங்க. அவங்க வந்து சென்னையிலேருந்து வராங்க. ஸோ எங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸும் சென்னையில் இருந்து தான் வந்தாங்க. ஸோ அவங்க போயிட்டு பிக்கப் பண்ண போகலாம்.
We are ready to rock and roll. Look at this. She is ready looking Indian style. Okay. I have a peanut. We're ready. So, we are 2 hours away from Houston right now. We got flower in the back right here. Look at this. Mama Liki got a flower for them. So, yeah, this is so excited. And we have 2 more hours exactly. How do you feel, Remy?
We're gonna go to there. Oh, look at the flower.
Yes, thank you, Mama Leki, for come with us. This is a great road trip.
Yeah. Thank you for spending all day with us today. It's amazing. It can be a long video, but stay tuned. You know, we are all excited to show our happiness, and we will still update you guys. We will see you guys at the airport.
I can't wait to see Grandma, Tata, and
Apai.
Papai.
That's my grandma and grandpa.
Alright, we'll catch you guys later. A, B, C, D, E terminals right here. We're heading to D.
In 1.4 miles, arrive at George Bush Intercontinental Airport.
George Bush.
So now you go here, it's going to show which one you have to take. So domestic flights, Southwest, United Express. So Lufthansa departures. You're going to go arrivals
Arrival.
and Emirates.
Yeah.
So departure, it is E, arrival. E, all parking, bus, truck, roads. Hi. We already made it to the airport and we are going to the terminal. They are outside already. We're gonna go pick them up. Let's go, baby.
Let's go, baby.
Here.
I'm just walking right now, so let's see. Is it a país? Yes, Mama.
இருமா நான் கொடுத்துக்கிறேம்மா ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. அவங்க ஒரு பொண்ணு இருந்துச்சா இல்லையாங்க? Hey guys, look at my family here already. Everybody got lost. They were like so. No.
Hi, finally we're here at the restaurant.
Here it's called Curry House Indian cuisine
First time they're gonna try
in America. எப்படி இருக்கா? எப்படி இருக்கா அமெரிக்கா எப்படி இருக்கு? நம்ம ஊர் வடுகுப்பட்டி மாதிரி இருக்கா? அமெரிக்கா எப்படிமா இருக்கு? Hey guys, we are here at the restaurant. My parents are here.
They're so tired, right?
Yeah, they're just so tired. 2 days they haven't eaten anything.
Wow. And they had a
They
long
didn't even
flight.
quickly. Yeah.
But yeah, so we came here to Indian restaurant. So hopefully they will be happy with the food here. First time eating Indian food in United States. So I know it might taste the difference. But so far, yeah, that's where we are right now.
தாத்தா நல்லா சாப்பிடுறா.
Good curry.
எல்லாம் வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்களா? எங்கள் அம்மா அப்பா வந்து ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் வந்து அமெரிக்காவில் வந்து சாப்பிட்றாங்க. ரொம்ப எனக்கு சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. Alright guys,
Thank
stay
you
tuned.
so much for watching this video. And we can't wait to share you with more video to come.